Welcome to Oldsmobile 455, working on the 2005 Saturn. This is his daily beater. He can just drive it to work and not have to worry about it in the parking lot. He's already gotten rear-ended a couple times by people that have no insurance, no license, and you're not going to get anything out of him. He just says, you know, take off. As we're using this to go up north and it gets better gas mileage than anything, we're noticing a clunk. So this is a situation where when we were riding it and being the passenger, it creeps up on you slowly, and I says, man, I feel like a clunking going on underneath my feet. A lot of times it's just the links on the sway bar, which were changed out once before. And then finally when we lifted it up, you notice that these control arms, the whole rubber separated from the metal, and we've got metal to metal contact now on the frame. Even going through the hassle of changing bushings and everything, you can go to the Rock Auto and order these parts, and everything's all installed, and you just change the part, and everything's real fast and simple. And we got to get this done quick so we can work on our project vehicle, the Oldsmobile.
When I bought these, one was 34 bucks and it was the last one for one of the sides. I don't know which one it was. We got an OE brand here. And then the other one, I had to get a slightly more expensive one. It was $50, original grade. Pretty much the same darn thing.
The only thing that you could see different is no Zerk fitting.
Unlike this one here.
Steering knuckle goes into this control arm. It's just squeezing around here, and the bolt is captured in this groove. Half the hole is in that and half the hole is in this, so it can't slide out. And all we got to do is take a bolt out and press this down and put these parts in. Real easy.
This is a Georgia car through about 6 winters.
When you live in Wisconsin, everything's rusty. When you have captured bolts and stuff, and you guys just zip them out, we got to worry about the rust that'll start turning a nut around. So we're going to throw some lubricant up there and make it easier. So we started this at 2:05 in the afternoon, and we're going to see how long it takes us to do this. This thing's spinning fast. Let's see if that's out. Fell apart. That's off fall apart too. This one's busted up. You can see how this was only attaching in 2 points there, and then rubber broke away from each other. This is a shipping cap that comes with it and keeps it from being damaged. And then this is what keeps the grease out of it, and that's what's going to be held in by.
I wire wheeled the bolt here.
This is the brand new bolt they give you, and it just wasn't even long enough. This is how long it needs to be to hold that ball joint stud.
We're going to tighten that down before we crank down the bushing bolts to try to get the bushings in the right spot. There they are installed. It took us 25 minutes, including taking video clips, but not including the tires, taking them on and off.
Got this nifty little lock and lube. If you watch all them shows on Saturday morning, this is supposed to be easy, and I'm not getting it on. Oh gosh, okay. Then one-man job instead of one guy trying to hold it up tight and just...
We needed a 16 millimeter, a 15 and 21 millimeter socket.
And the wrench, 15 millimeter wrench.
Yeah, so not even much tools for this job. We used a couple alignment pins.
That was nice. The second one, I just took one pin, went through and got it all, and then got the ball joint in there, and then it was all in alignment, and it went really fast.
That's all for now. Thanks for watching.